guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Annie again. So for today's video, nag-unbox kami ng balikbayan bag. So ito siya guys. And i-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga nakuha ko o ano yung party ko sa box na pinadala ni Mama. So the first one guys is this bag. It's a Disney Minnie Mouse bag. It's a backpack. So cute. It's color pink, light pink. Nahilig kasi ako sa mga small bags. And then, I also received a jacket. So big, size small. Lucky. Then another one guys is, wait. Sabihin na natin. Ikakalat mamaya dito. And then the next one is also jacket again. Disney Lady in the Trunk. Fashion sa akin. It's extra small. And by the way, the box is for my mom from Abu Dhabi. Then the third one I need is Disney again. A white. Next. Oh. It's a skirt. I think it's so big for me. But small is XS, so feel ko kasya sa akin. And the next is Uchuan. A blouse. Another one is this. Blouse also. And then I received lots of t-shirts. Pants, Adidas. Syempre, small XS. Kasi liit ko. And then Max. Halos lahat ng damit ko Max guys. Also this one. Printed flower. Another one. So, kapag namamasyal ako, naka-t-shirt ako or naka-short. Kasi pinagbabawalan ako. But sexy, sure. Pero minsan, I break the rules, yun naman. So, halos naman ang damit na pinapadala sa akin is t-shirt. And kung ano yung na-receive kong gamit, yun din yung na-receive ng sister ko. Kala siguro yung mama din ko pare-pareho yung gamit namin. So, thank you, Ma. Collect. He always surprises. Oh! Also received this one. So, magagamit ko siya mag-swim. Kapag sexy girls na ako pag nasa beach. A short. Pants. 1, 2, 3. Then I also received this Guess. Also received this Guess also. Smells in there. And then I also received another Guess wallet. Charan! Ba't walang laman, ma'am? And then I received lots of bras. Hindi ko siya papakita, mama, yung mga nalaman kulay ng mga bra ko. And then I received, it's open natin siya. Pwede ko siya lagyan ng mga makeup sets and or maybe na ibang mga gamit ko. I received lots of pens from Minisul. Ang dami. Benta ko kaya to. Oh, ang dami na guys. Different colors po siya. Ooh. Lots of pens. Bibigyan ko yung mga kapatid ko nito. So, sobrang dami niya. Hindi ko naman siya mauubos gamitin. Or, I also give this pen sa mga friends ko. This, I received different lip balm, lip gloss. Panadol tablet. Kasi parati ako ngayon na migraine, nagkakasakit, so, or muscle ache, body pain. Itong gamitin nyo guys, promise. Hindi gusto nyo mawala yung mga sakit sa katawan. So, another pen again. Ang dami. Ano na? Lip balm. Cherry. Wala na itong mga pen guys. Different colors. Different styles. Uy, cute! It's so cute. And also, different ink. So, kakagyan ko mga kapatid ko nito kasi hindi naman ako madako. And ang dami naman ito. Hindi ko na maulit gamitin. So, maybe next time, hindi na ako bibili us for you always surprise us. Thank you talaga kasi lahat binigay mo sa akin. Even hindi namin pinili. I love you. So, that's all for this vlog, guys. Hope to see you sa mga next video ko. So, hindi pa pala nakapag-subscribe, please click subscribe and the notification bell below para ma-notify kayo sa aking susunod pang mga video. Bye, guys!